Are you looking for a perfect destination in Nueva Ecija for intimate wedding and family vacation? Experience the relaxing ambience, beautiful photo spots, and breathtaking overlooking Pantabangan Lake here at Lake Farm de la Mare. It's a perfect place to celebrate love and create unforgettable memories with your loved ones. Let's G!
Yan ang driver bride sa kanyang kasal sa ibabaw ng bundok.
From Cabanatuan City, we traveled around 1.5 hours going to Lake Farm de la Mare. Since we arrived at 12 noon and our check-in time was still 2 p.m., we decided to start first with my hair and makeup here at the function hall. Ayan, super ganda ng view. And of course, meet this talented HMUA makeup by Anlay Tantoco. He was highly recommended by Chris Camenia Photography. And first time lang din namin magkita-kita dito sa resort together with the whole photo and video team. And super like ko talaga itong aking fresh and soft look makeup. Sobrang natural lang niya but elegant and glowing. Exactly the look that I really wanted for a renewal of vows. And he also put some simple touch up kay hubby para naman hindi shiny on cam. At this moment, our photo and video session officially started. Sobrang gaan lang nila katrabaho. They always made you feel comfortable. But of course, second time na namin ito with Chris Camenia. While we were doing our shoot, the rest of the family started checking in sa mga rooms nila. So ito yung with kitchen nila, good for 6 packs, maximum of 8. Yan. This one is with kitchen also. This one is mas malaki siya without kitchen. And then we have another casitas there. Itong isa, dalawa. Yan, good for 4 packs. So yan yung naka-assign sa aming accommodation. Malayo sa aming mga kasamahanan dun sa Casitas. At this moment, tapos na ang photoshoot. So change outfit and retouch ng hair and makeup for the main program. And everything turned out so beautiful and memorable. Please watch out for official event video soon by Chris Camenia Photography.
Congratulations!
Yes! Tapos na! Na-renew na! Oh, mga kaway-kaway kayo dyan. So, eto, what?
Ito gusto ko.
Bilis! Uy! Naligyan sa Doha.
Would it be a sin if I can help falling in love with you?
Dito kami na-assign.
Parang may multo.
Malapit sa dome. Parang isolated naman.
Yun.
Wow! But it's nice. Ang bango. So ito yung aming couple's room.
Couple's room. So hectic.
Wow, nice view.
Diyan kami kanina. Ayan, nagsisinop na sila ng mga kalat. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal!
Missing P in the... La 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 la. It was a successful stories.
We just got married again.
It's a very good moment. Si Mama lang ang nag-enjoy. Yeah, 5,000 roses daw. Dami. Yes. Hey!
Kagugulo. Kane! Oh, happy ba? Happy? Sige, mahulog ka! Ne! Yabang ng dala mo. Sige! I feel yours. Kitchen. Ang bango. Si chef pala to. Good morning.
The next morning, we just slowed down and enjoyed our coffee sa terrace ng room. Super relaxing na ambience, fresh air, peaceful surroundings, and beautiful view of nature. And while sipping our coffee, hindi namin maiwasang balikan at pag-usapan ang mga nangyari the night before. After all the preparations and stress, unexpected changes, finally, everything turned out so memorable and worth it.
Good morning, guys!
Good morning.
Okay, so dito naman ang breakfast. It's a buffet management. Meron silang pandesal.
Corned beef. Then scrap. Wow. Beef. Fried rice.
Soup. Let's go swimming. Ayun.
Backstroke.
Ganon.
These areas is for check-in. Yes.
Hello, guys.
Swimming, Mamela. Dive.
We're going to the infinity pool. How are you? Yeah? Hi to my vlog. Oh.
Hi, guys.
Ah. Ay, picture na ah.
Yeah. So happy.
Kasi hindi kayo maliligo.
Yeah.
Ikaw nga daw. Sali ako. Live lang to?
Siya din. Ama mo.
Ayoko, naka-backshell lang ako to.
Si Derek naman. Ang dami niyan. Hi guys! Ganyan may infinity. We're in the edge. Yun, ganda oh. Yan, Mama G. Doon oh, doon sa dome na.
Pantabangan din.
Bye guys! Yay! Thank you! Oh, kaway-kaway! Sulat kayo ha!
Let's go, guys. Let's go home na. We're going home. Bye, Lake Farm.